Hello guys! Welcome sa inyong lahat. Kung gusto nyo guys, itutur ko kayo sa aking munting tahanan. Ito ang aming living room. Yan. Ayan ang aming living room. Minsan-minsan may kalat kasi may tao. At kapag walang tao, walang kalat. Lagi nyong tatandaan. Ang wither lang yan. Kapag umulan, may bagyo, makikita nyo ang island is low tide, high tides, doon mo malalaman guys at ito ang aking munting tindahan. Yes, that's my munting tindahan. Kasama na rin ang aking munting kitchen. Di ba? Itutur ko kayo guys kung gaano kalinis ang aming kitchen. Maliban na lang guys sa small lizard na they always keep safe. Yeah, this is our kitchen. Ganyan lang ang aming kitchen guys, pero hitik sa laman, hitik sa liglig. At siya nga pala, pag pumasok kayo, nandito ang pinakamalaki naming Mama Mary. Ako din ang nag-paint. Tignan mo naman, very beautiful, right? At kung gusto nyo naman guys, i-tour ko kayo sa aking kwarto. By the way guys, I want to show you my room. There's a little bit, bitay-bitay. That paano man lang yan. At dahil sa mayroon akong gustong itago, ang aking, di ba? Ayan nga guys, ang aking bagong cabinet ngayon. At dahil sa ayaw ko makita ang aking mga kalat, ipapakita ko na rin sa inyo. Ayan ang aking curtains. Curtain ng ng Simply Me na si Rohelia. At ako nga pala guys, at ito ang aming, this is Janine's room. Yeah. This is Janine's room, yes. At inaayos ko pa siya, ayan. Ang kama, never mind kasi alam mo na, papalitan ko yan soon. At ito ang kanyang munting kwarto. At someday, magkakaroon siya ng sarili niyang TV. Music trip, yes. Yun lang guys, ayun lang ang aming bahay. At ito ang aming hallway going to this side is my living room, yes. And the other side is dining, kitchen. Yun lang guys. Okay naman ba? Sino ba naman ang hindi uuwi at mangarap na tumira sa silent na buhay, di ba? Ito ang aming main door. Sabi nila kapag straight daw, malas. Niwala ka naman sa mga kaunga-unguan. Ang aming living room ulit, di ba? Ang aming tindahan, baka nahihilo kayo. Malawak pa guys, marami pa akong pwedeng ilagay at isabit. Sa totoo lang, not complete yet, but tomorrow I will try my best to buy more extra. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Cute, no? Oh, ayan. Ayun. Ang aming munting kitchen. Di ba guys, ang ganda? Sa totoo lang, pinangarap kong umuwi sa Pilipinas for good. Yes. I will stay in Philippines for good. You know what? Every day that, I have a time to see my mom, my siblings, I'm so blessed. Yeah. I'm very, very blessed. But, we wish, of course, that we can see you, Janine, my dear little girl, my dear little princess. I love you so much. I hope that all of your siblings, miracle siblings, we can see each other soon, very soon, anak. I try my best to build, if I get my money, I will build something that I can make you surprise, yes. And I know if you can see Mama's plan, someday, I know that you will visit Mama. I'm always here, anak, in Santa Cruz, Pandan, Antique. Yes. Bye, Abby. Mama love you so much. Always taking care of yourself, even that I'm away. I always think that Mama taking care of you all the time. Even inside your heart, anak, you can feel that Mama is like that. Mama want to taking care of you until that you grow with a lot of kids. Yeah, I hope that I can have so many grandchild from you, anak, except sa mga kuya-kuya mo, anak. Yes, it's too early to think that, but I want that you enjoy life. Move away to the person that they will make you stress. Yes. because Mama is fine now, anak. Without stress, without, shouting to my ears using their social media, television. It's helped a lot to me that I'm here in Philippines now. I didn't stress myself to idiot people shouting to my ears. I don't care. Besides, my mom gave me birth in this earth that I'm alone. Yeah. And I grew up with my siblings, and I always think that my family only can help me to remove stress. Yeah, I need stress reliever. At alam mo anak ko sino yon? Si Gail, my little pamangkin, Papa Bubong, Papa Gary's second child. She act like you, anak. She have a lot of wish that it's almost the same it's almost the same like you, Abby. She loves strawberry. She loves headband. She love the rabbit with long ears. Almost the same, anak. You know what Lola said? She wished that before she get more older and disappear to this earth, she wished that you can come and visit Lola. Yes. I love you, anak. We love you so much. Take care, and we miss you so much. Mama love you. We love you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Mwah. Bye-bye.